I'm back for part 3 of 7 of 1-minute lessons for stakeholders in the reliability culture game and challenge. Okay, today we're talking about planners. Planners. Okay, I love planners. 1-minute lesson. Here we go. Anticipate wrench time detractors. That's the 1-minute lesson. Anticipate. Examples. Hey, full job kitting. Hey, if you need to replace a pump is not a kit. The gasket material, the bolts, the coupling, a new piece of key, anything that you can potentially need on that job needs to be in the kit. Full job kitting. No come back to the shop. Parts and equipment staged within 10 feet of the job site. The lockout tagout procedures defined. Any work group interferences. What can go wrong? Hey, a galvanized bucket in the kit to contain small parts. Planners set the high bar for wrench time. Are you going to set it at 15%? You're going to set it at 60%. There's your single point lesson in 1 minute.